totally in the right by ADA law. This is a service animal, and he can ride with me anyplace. And no! I'd appreciate it if we'd just get the hell off this ground and get to where we're going. Oh, apologize all you want, but we're still wasting all these people's time and mine. Serve your country and you get treated like this? You punks. I'm sorry, folks, but I've earned the right to have this service animal because of my service to this country in Vietnam. I'm 100% disabled, and I have a service dog because of it, and everybody else has to obey the ADA laws except for this airline. So I'm sorry, but I'm not budging. There's more and more service animals being offered to vets because of their service. Not because of people like that who have no knowledge. How they ever made a pilot is beyond me. Cuff me. I'm serious. Cuff me. Well, I would rather you not either.
Oh, well, now you'd rather not.
No, I want my dog.
We'll get your dog.
Any veterans in here?